I definitely like this reaction here on ES. Yeah, really nice reaction here. If I can get a little bounce again in reaction, I might play it. Same thing here with the Q. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. It's just one micro. I like this reaction here on ES. Let's see if we can have a bigger move towards, let's see, maybe 540. I think we can even get these lows here. 560, 540. Yeah, so I'm looking for something like this. And it can be same thing here with NQ. I want to see us reacting this level here. Pretty much this candlestick. Yeah, like the video, help me with that. Subscribe also. I don't like this strong bounce here. Yeah, that's a very strong bounce. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. Look at that. This price action is ugly. That's why, again, I told you guys I'm trading with a very small size, because in this price action we need to give it the candlestick kind of like a bigger stop loss. Yeah, look at these ugly candles. You have very strong move and then reactions. NQ still is reacting our level. So yes, it's very scary, but that's why if we want to trade this market, we need to trade it with very small size. And if I get a stop out, I get a stop out, but I'm only trading with 2 micros. I'm not risking my entire account if the trade goes against me. I don't like this price action. It looks like it definitely wants to break this resistance. It's looking very strong so far. Okay, my stop loss didn't work there. I got stop out, but very late because this candle was weird.
A few moments later.
Do we get another bounce here, or NQ's gonna break this level this time? Is this time different? Okay. Another bounce? Another bounce play here? Should I play this bounce again? Or try to play this bounce? Should I? Could I? Let's see. 2 micros. 2 NQ micros. Let's see if we can have a little bounce here. Okay. Okay, and I'm out. That was good. That was good. For a moment, I thought it was gonna break our level. I was like, perfect. Now that I decided to play these bounds, it's gonna break down. Green for the day. I'm happy with my day. See you mañana. Thank you guys. Bye.